Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Somfy motorized blinds are not responding to the remote, it can interrupt the convenience they're designed to provide, especially when you rely on quick control for light and privacy. This kind of issue can appear suddenly. One moment everything works fine, and the next, the blinds stop reacting to any button you press. The reason behind it isn't always obvious, because it could be related to power supply, signal communication, remote settings, etc. Instead of assuming something is broken, it's important to go through a proper check to restore the connection step by step. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to fix your Somfy blinds and get them responding to the remote again smoothly. Try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries in the remote with new ones and ensure proper placement. Step 2. Power cycle the blinds by turning off the power source and turning it back on. Step 3. Move closer to the blinds and remove any obstacles blocking the signal. Step 4. Reprogram or repair the remote with the blind's motor using the control button. Step 5. Check the remote buttons and clean them to ensure proper contact. Step 6. Test the remote again by operating the blinds to confirm proper response.